Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in today's video we are gonna see how to make the trending Dalgona coffee. So before getting to the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. So let's get into the video. Take a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of warm water. Everything should be in the same ratio. Using an electric beater, beat the mixture until you get stiff beads. Or you can use a whisk to beat the mixture like me. If you are using a whisk, it will take 10 to 15 minutes to get stiff beads and a creamy consistency. In a glass, pour some cold milk and add few ice cubes. As you can see, our coffee mixture is so creamy. Pour that coffee mixture on top of the milk. Tada! Now our Dalgona coffee is ready and you can enjoy it. If you want to know how to drink the Dalgona coffee, here it is. You can use a straw or you can use a spoon. If you are using a spoon, mix the coffee until it gets dissolved like so. Then you can enjoy it. Do try this recipe at your home because it's a trending recipe, right? Do try it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.